Hi, so I got asked how to do a second row after you have chained crochet, and I'm going to give you a very small tutorial. Alright, so I have chained 10 and I will start on the second row now. Now if you're doing a single crochet, you would do an extra chain, but if you're doing a double crochet, you would do 2 chains. So I'm going to be doing a single crochet a lot easier, so I'm going to chain an extra one. So I have 11 here. Then I'm going to crochet into the second chain from the hook. So I'll just insert my hook, pull it through, and do a single crochet. And then I will go ahead and stick my hook into it again, pull through, and do a single crochet. And you will do this all the way across. Now I recommend chaining with a hook that is slightly bigger than you are going to be using for your project, just to make the chains a little bit easier to see and work through. Alright, so I'm just going to continue on and work all the way to the end. So now you should have something that looks like this. This has 2 rows on it, single crochet. So because it is a single crochet, again, you will chain 1 and then turn your work like this. And then you will just do a single crochet for the 3rd row. So you will do basically the same thing, insert, pull through, and do a single crochet, and you're set to continue.